Welcome this video patio plots idea. Elevate your outdoor space with style plants pot. Your patio is an stand of your living space, a place where you can relax, entertainment, and enjoy the outdoor. One of the best way to add charm, color, personally to your patio is by incorporating plants pot. Whether you have a square gardening or a compost balcony, the right patio plants idea can transforming your space into invite oasis. Here are some create idea to inspire you. Modern minimalists plants for a sleep and contemporary look. Choose minimalist plants with clean line and natural tone. Material like convenient metal or finish wood well for this style. Geometric shape like cabin designed to enhance the charm. Modern aesthetic way that plants with low main interest plants such as succulent, clip plants or ZZ plants for a complex size vibrant. Hand plants maximize versatile space with hand plants. Those are perfect for smart patio where full space with limited. Choose lightweight material like wicket or fall to supplement colorful flower up. Consider design for ad and various interior and plants not only save space but also create a lush effect. Both stream multi-level plants display create a impact with level plant display use plant shape stem plants arrange your plants at various height. This approve work well for patio with limited square foot again as its draw the eyes up away to mark the space for long growing plants with simple light and water need for easy entertainment. Color cooled pot for a harmony and elegant look. Stick to a sophistication palette of your pot. Natural tone like while gum to bring often timeless appear while both up like test maintain or can make a statement. You can also match the pot's color with patio furniture or decor for expense design. Use a mix of size and shade to keep the arrangement various interior statement plants term your plants into focal point by choose both oversized design statement plants work well for showcase long plants like fall to bring of paradise look for unique textile patio palette or finish such as gazebo, surface. Your patio design and attacked herb and vegetable plants. When not companion aesthetic with functional plants, herb and vegetable in style pots for yard beautiful patio set up. Use trail plants, window box or rustic bed to create a mini kitchen gardening. Refresh gardening will not only enhance your patio appear but also provide fresh for your mat. Lights plant enhance your patio. Embrace with plants a double as light fix. Lights plants are available in various design LED pots that grow soft in the ever. Those are perfect for create a cozy and romantic atmosphere for outdoor gardening. Choose warm, while all colors choose light to sub your much mood and style. Seasoning plant theme. Change season by update your plants of preference season theme. For switch, choose pots color